What's up YouTube, this is JB, and today we're doing a review on the 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab. Let's start with the front of the truck. First thing you'll notice is this new style front grille. It has Ram just the perfect size in the center, and this chrome really makes it stand out. It has LED headlamps and also LED fog lights inside of this steel bumper. They did change the style of the hood, which I like a lot, and they moved the engine displacement badging from the side fender to the side of the hood. This truck comes with 20-inch rims and power folding mirrors. Now if you look at the overall truck, you'll notice that it is longer than the previous models. Ram has stretched the overall wheelbase and length of this truck by 4 inches on the crew cab models. For the rear, the truck comes with newly designed LED tail lamps. You got a chrome bumper, you got your dual exhaust, you got your rear camera, and also aluminum tailgate that you can now open with the key fob. And you can see the sprayed in bed liner. Now for the interior. This truck comes with leather trim seats. You got an 8.4-inch touchscreen. It's push start. The seats are vented and heated. You got your heated steering wheel. You got a panoramic roof. And basically, you have a 6-seat option because this cup holder slash compartment area is actually another seat. With the 8.4-inch touchscreen, you have your radio option. You have your media option, which I don't have anything connected right now. You got your climate control, so you can do all the heated seats and everything from here. You got your apps mode. You can see the backup camera. The heated seat controls and the dimming mirror. If you have a phone connected, you can do your phone. And then you have other settings right here. You can't forget about the rear. I mean, and back here, I have a lot of room. I can stretch out. You got your vents down here, 2 USB ports, and a power plug. Now for the motor. This has a 5.7 liter HEMI engine that puts down 395 horses and 410 pound-foot of torque. and can tow over 11,000 pounds. Alright, so that's the 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie Edition. If you want one of these, make sure you come down to Ed Voyles Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram and ask for my boy Clint. That's the guy who sold me my Wrangler. And I'll put his information in the description below. And make sure that you hit the subscribe button and comment, tell me some other stuff you want to see. Until next time, alright, peace.